It's so dark.
I know you're scared, Muno, and that's okay. But you don't have to be afraid.
Hey, Fufa. I guess it is dark, and I'm afraid too. What do I do?
Well, Pearlby, don't worry. Just listen. You don't have to be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's okay. I am right here, and I will help you. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's okay. See, Muno, don't you feel better?
I do.
It's not scary anymore.
Yeah. Thanks, everybody. I'm not scared of the dark anymore.
Me too. I'm not scared of the dark anymore either.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's not scary anymore.
Say, Plex, can you help us put the lights back on?
Yes. Ha ha.